All right, so you want to increase the fuel capacity of your truck. More so, we're talking about diesel trucks here. You want to take your 27-gallon Ford gas tank, and we can turn that into a 60-gallon gas tank. S&B fuel tanks, we actually installed quite a few of these. Extremely user-friendly. Matthew already has the new tank prep. Doesn't take very long to do. Well worth the time. Takes us about 3 hours to put one of these tanks in. And very economical too. You're looking at about $1,300 for the gas tank. So these things can go from 40 gallons all the way up to 70-gallon tanks. S&B has a great selection of gas tanks to choose from. Alright, so the install for the S&B fuel tank is pretty straightforward. Matthew's already got the sending unit and the water separator installed basically as an assembly. All the filler neck and hoses. But one of the really cool features of the S&B fuel tanks is they actually come with a bung on the bottom of the fuel tank if you want to use, let's just say, an aftermarket lid pump like a FAST, for example. It's already built into the tank. You pull this out, drill it out, you're ready to go. Pretty cool feature they don't really advertise a lot, which we have leveraged on previous installs as well. So again, going from basically 27 gallons to 60 and up to 70 if you've got a long bed. All right, so the last step in the installation is to basically tell the truck it's got a bigger fuel tank in it. So Matthew's running the 4Scan right now, telling the truck it's got a 60-gallon tank, a couple other things he's got to do, and this one's good to go. So again, if you're looking to increase the fuel capacity of your truck, give us a call. We've got a lot of options for you.